You are you are welcome in chemistry classes by K.K. Singh, Minerva Public School. For class 10, type of chemical reactions. There are many types of chemical reaction. We will study part by part. First, we will take a decomposition reaction. Decomposition means breaking down a single substance into two or more substances. Means in this type of chemical reaction, a single compound is broken down into two or more different kinds of compounds or elements which are entirely different from the original one. For example, suppose this is a chemical compound. By any chemical method, if it is broken down into two or more different substances of different kind, the such type of chemical reaction is known as decomposition reaction. The various factors that facilitates decomposition reactions are heat, light, electricity, sound, etc. Suppose we are taking first example, KClO3, potassium chlorate. When this compound is heated nearly 700 degrees Celsius, but if we mix some manganese dioxide with it, the reaction will occur at 240 degrees Celsius. We are seeing only decomposition reaction. Therefore, take KClO3 and heat it. We will get potassium chloride, KCl plus oxygen. Since the reaction has occurred due to heat, it can be termed as thermal decomposition reaction. We can take other example. Next, we will take another example, electricity. Suppose NaCl, sodium chloride. It is a compound solution, aqueous solution. When current is passed, electricity is passed. Electric current. When electric current is passed through the solution of sodium chloride in a common salt, it will decompose into sodium Na plus Cl2 gas. Since this reaction occurs due to passing electric current in aqueous solution or fused or molten state of NaCl, therefore this reaction is termed as electrolysis. Next, third. When light is passed through silver chloride solution, it will change into silver and chlorine gas. This reaction occurs in single silver chloride broken into silver and chlorine. Hence, this reaction can be termed as a decomposition reaction. यहाँ आप देखते हैं कि पोटेशियम क्लोरेट दो चीज में बटा है, सोडियम क्लोराइड या दो चीज में बटा है, सिल्वर क्लोराइड भी दो चीज में बटा है, एक चीज टूटकर दो से ज्यादा चीज बन रहा है. इस तरह के इस टाइप का जो केमिकल रिएक्शन होगा, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. कीप इन माइंड, देखिए ध्यान रखिए, कोई भी इक्वेशन मैंने बैलेंस नहीं किया है. इट्स योर ड्यूटी टू बैलेंस देम. नाउ वी विल टेक combination reaction. Next we will take combination reaction. But before taking it, I am going to erase it. Combination reaction. In such type of reaction, two or more substances combine to form a single substance. Suppose these are two substances, they are combined chemically to form a single substance. इसमें दो या दो से ज्यादा सब्सटेंस केमिकल्स आपस में मिलकर एक चीज बनाता है, जिसे आप ले लीजिए पहला एग्जांपल, आप फर्स्ट एग्जांपल टेक इट H2 plus O2. When hydrogen burns in presence of oxygen, it produces water vapor. H2O, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन टू फॉर्म वाटर, ये दोनों मिलकर ये बना दिया। इस तरह से आप दूसरा एग्जांपल भी ले सकते हैं, C+O2 क्या बन जाएगा जी, CO2, ये दो चीज मिलकर ये बन गया। ये तीसरा एग्जांपल एक ले लीजिए, तीसरा एक तीन एग्जांपल ले लीजिए आप, N2 प्लस H2 जी, हाइड्रोजन गैस, नाइट्रोजन गैस, हाइड्रोजन गैस जब कंबाइन होता है तो ये बनाता है NH3 अमोनिया गैस। इस तरह से हम देख रहे हैं कि दो या दो से ज्यादा चीज कंबाइन होकर एक सिंगल केमिकल बनाते हैं। इस तरह का जो रिएक्शन होता है, केमिकल रिएक्शन, उसको आप बोलते हैं combination reaction. Means a combination reaction is such type of reaction where two or more compound or elements combine together to form a single chemical or chemical compound. Next we will take rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction. In such type of chemical reaction, there is no change in molecular formula. Molecular formula remains same, but due to some causes, some agent, the arrangement of atoms in the molecule changes to form a new chemical compound. The molecular formula remains the same, but the structural formula will change. This type of chemical reaction is termed as rearrangement reaction. Example: ammonium NH4CNO. Ammonium cyanate, NH4CNO क्या है जी, ammonium cyanate. When evaporated, it forms urea. NH2 और CO NH2 whole twice. Ammonium cyanate, urea. If you notice, there is no change, though no increment or no increase, no decrease, the number of atoms of same or different kind, they are remain the same, but their structure has already changed, entirely changed, and the property, their chemical property has also changed. This is ammonium cyanate and this is urea. These are molecular formula and this is a structural formula. Such reaction was this experiment was first of all performed by Euler in 1828. Now we will study some other type of double decomposition reaction and oxidation reduction reaction in next video. But I ask you to subscribe and like my channel.